So the crypto market got a bit shaken up because Trump decided to slap a 25% tariff on steel imports. Imagine this. The US doesn't even produce enough steel, so they have to import it. But now, they're making it more expensive by adding a tariff, hoping the economy will still grow. Doesn't really add up, right? Now, because of this tariff move, the US dollar got stronger, which put pressure on Bitcoin. A small dip is normal. America is basically trying to raise money without taking on more debt. But here's the thing. A strong dollar makes it harder for inflation to drop. And guess what? If China retaliates with its own tariffs, the dollar could take a hit later. Long story short, gold is looking solid right now. For today's market moves, morning to early afternoon, 8 to 15 UTC plus 6, expect some green. The focus is on China's money supply data, but if that's delayed, Japan's bank lending data could help. Late afternoon, 16 to 18 UTC plus 6, some red as Asian markets close. Evening, 1822 UTC plus 6, should turn green again since people are starting to ignore Trump's bluff. Late night, 26, likely red. Overnight, 08 UTC plus 6, green again as overnight funding rates drop. Now let's talk about copper. On Friday, it jumped almost 3% and it's already up over 12% this year, just 1 month in. For comparison, in all of 2024, it only rose 7%. That's crazy. Copper is essential for everything, construction, tech, you name it. So if the Fed thinks inflation will drop this year, they clearly haven't been watching copper prices. And if steel starts following copper's lead, good luck building anything cheap. House prices dropping? Yeah, right. If someone tells you that, they're out of their mind. Meanwhile, over in China, China Unicom, Alibaba, and other big names are seeing nice gains. Xpeng, though, is down nearly 3%. One big shocker. Dongfeng Auto shot up 15% after announcing a merger with other state-owned companies. Something's brewing there. On the currency side, the Chinese yuan just hit its weakest level since January 20. Translation? China might be looking to push its exports harder by making the yuan cheaper. Basically, China's cooking something. Let's see where it goes.